Here we got a Trailblazer. This is a LT Trailblazer. Alright, so here's some other things we see in the shop. This thing got a bunch of oxygen sensor. Where? Here's it, Billy. Alright, so here's the oxygen sensor wire. And this is hooked up with a flex pipe. Somebody welded the flex pipe all around here. And this is loose. Right here, which is why it's so loud. So the oxygen sensor is there, but it's loose, so it'll suck air somewhere there. And this one, the wires are broken, and then they just ran the flex pipe right up through there. All right, so that was very, I guess, smart. I don't know. What are you laughing for? To tell you the truth, this here is all messed up too. Look at that. This is terrible. See that? I thought
whole knuckle. Go
this
do it
thing
again.
Was leaning
Oh
down.
my God, the yoke's off.
The yoke's off.
So that's no good. That should be disconnected so it don't do something.
Oh, this you know, it's come from way up top here somewhere. Oh, that oil, see it up here?
Yeah, I don't know what that is. Power steering fluid or whatever.
Oh my God.
That oil will be over there.
Yeah, it's not training fluid.
Something made this thing leak transmission fluid.
They ain't found it.
Only thing that they wanted here to do was to put some transmission fluid in there. The pan is all messed up. It's all burnt. It needs a transmission. It needs a whole bunch of stuff. Actually, it needs to go to the somewhere. I better not say that. Where it needs, but it's a lot of work to be done on here. That's just it. Let me see here. It's leaking here in the back too. The back differential. Also universal joints. Okay, no good. You're good there. Well, it's just fixing them. You need to go to exhaust, get the right exhaust, hook the oxygen sensor back up. He needs to fix that right there that Tony is touching.
Is the nut in there still? The nut is still on there.
I think the bearing is gone.
Oh, yeah. That's what it is. The whole transfer cable front. Yeah.
It's amazing. You see, this got a motor here. Let's look at that motor. Okay, well, all right, that's it for this old Trailblazer here. Billy gonna put the transmission fluid back in there. I don't know what's gonna happen with this thing.